Welcome back to Grizzly Lumen Lab, where we unbox, install, and test anything to do with lighting. Today, we have the Govee Gaming Pixel Light. Let's dominate the dark. All right, guys, we got the Govee Gaming Pixel Light here, 1,664 LEDs. Works with Google Home and Alexa, and don't forget to download the app so you can utilize the features of their AI system in there. Great picture of the side. This is the AI system. You tell it what you want it to show, and it's going to create it for you. This is the back of the box. Right here is showing the Pixel Light's little brother has just over 1,000 LEDs in it. And also it has some preset scenes for you guys in here, which we will also be showing off. Let's get into it. Oh man, it's really lightweight, but it feels super durable. Govee's always taking care of making sure that their products are very well made. Let me give you a size comparison. This is my Galaxy S10 Ultra. It is a monster of a tablet, but you can see the size difference there. This thing is huge. I did not expect it to be this big. I thought it was going to be just a hair bit smaller, so that's pretty cool. You got your stand, you put it on the table, you can stand it up, or this is a wall mount. It's going to go right onto the back of there, and then you can hang it up above a TV anywhere you want to put it. Let's see, you got your power adapter here, and then you got some screws. Let's go ahead and get it plugged in, see what this thing can do. Oh, that's cool. All right, that's the startup. Once you get it fired up, go ahead and go to the Govee Home app. Gonna hit add at the top right. It's gonna find the device, hit add. The on button to pair it. Just leave it as a gaming pixel light for now. It's gonna search for the Wi-Fi. That for now. Back you guys up. To assist you with your DIY creation, we added an AI tool in your sketch. Give it a try. Cool. We'll get into that here in a second. All right, so let's go to our custom scenes. Wow, you got a whole mess of scenes here. Let's go through some of them. Got your finger sketch. See what it does. Draw whatever you want on there. And apply. And it does it. Very cool. Alright, let's back out. Let's go to AI. Type in something random. Say motorcycle, see what it pulls up.
I have applied the recommended solution I created.
Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, let's get into music mode. Before I actually get to playing some music, you got four buttons on here. You got your on and off, the one on the right up here. One on the right up here gets you started for music mode. That way you don't have to go into the app. It automatically does it for you. Middle button, you can set your time. It'll tell you the temperature and the weather. And then you got your volume button. My apologies for it being dark in here. So far, I am super impressed with this thing. I kind of want to get a couple of more. That way I can put them above my computer monitor here at my desk. This thing is a whole vibe. I love it.
Flickering lights, faces fade. Another night lost in the masquerade. Neon dreams, a hollow high. Dancing shadows and bloodshot eyes. One more drink to drown the past. One more line to make it last.